back to my channel. So myself Miss Nisha. So I'm ready with a new video. So मैंने कल post में छोड़ा था that ready for a long form video on Sunday. So I'm shooting on Saturday. So ये जाएगा Sunday को. So this is basically a video of instant manifestation. How I manifested instant, like I just think it. मैं just सिर्फ सोचती हूँ एक सेकेंड के लिए and that comes to me in front of me whatever I just like want to manifest, and this is happening with me since 1 year. Last May 2024 it started. So May से जब start हुआ था मैंने सोचा चलो एक वीडियो बना ही दूँ, एक साल तो हो गया, and I wanted to share with my family that you all guys, because see I love to share things. If you see my vlogs till now, 1K videos I have, and I've shared everything about my life, like what do I do and what not I do. So coming back to the next topic, so I wanted to say like about instant manifestation, how I manifested, how I manifest actually. Suppose the first one is that I have seen in the thumbnail already. I have posted 5 proof manifestations which I have done. I means I have got actually. So मैं पहला first is that पहले 1st Jan of 2025 मुझे बिरयानी खाने का बहुत मन कर रहा था. So I manifested it. मैं हमेशा मैं सोच रही थी कुछ दिन पहले से 31st 38 December से I wanted to eat biryani. Oh my god, I ate biryani, kachori, my favorite thing still now. If you know that I have biryani, kachori is my favorite, so I got biryani, like I ate biryani on 1st Jan 2025 as my lunch. Second proof is in my thumbnail. I got like किसी भी चीज़ को sign मांग. Second is that I wanted a sign from God for my wish. For okay, so I not tell the wish, but I was just wanted a sign that yes, will my wish come true or not. So I got it within 24 hours, and it is valid till 24 hours for me, because it's from my personal experience that I got that sign. As signs rare things, like मैंने पूछा था for any name of my like wish related कोई चीज़ मोबाइल में दिखना for that, and it can happen. Birds, butterflies are very common, because see when you start manifesting butterflies, I have seen butterflies. Coming back to the third topic, I have seen butterflies from 1 year since I'm staying in my school areas, okay, in my locality where I have been staying for 10 years and more. I have not seen, but since I starting manifesting my wishes, various career, job, anything, so I started seeing butterflies everywhere. And this I like, मैं prefer नहीं करती हूँ अपना wishes या manifestations किसी को बोलना, but I am leaving it on my YouTube channel because I wanted to share my success story. It is my personal story to you all, that yes, manifestations do come true. Yeah, big manifestations take time, but छोटा छोटा I like video का topic ही होगा like instant manifestations, how I manifest topic. So butterflies so दिखता है, so that's another topic. So the third, like the second or third thing I manifested was that a video of TMKOC Tarak Mehta, okay, which I see normally. So I just, you know, there are so many people, so I was like I wanted to see this video, and that I got in my YouTube recommendations. Like वो आ गया naturally, it came. I was like, oh my god, I shocked, ऐसा भी होता है. So ये सब कैसे हुआ, I will tell you from my personal experience how I started manifesting instant things. Okay, I do not prefer to say on to anybody, but I wanted to share. So okay, I'm sharing. I manifested another video of TMKOC Tarak Mehta on 5th Jan 2025. I then manifested many videos from 18th Jan to 19th Jan. This was from videos part, okay. And then I asked from sign from God, which I got in 2 to 4 hours literally. Like पहले ऐसा नहीं होता, पहले होता था last year May होता था. Last year May, I remember 1st May और 1st April, sorry, it's starting from 1st April. So May से ज़्यादा मेरा manifestations अच्छा होता गया last year से, but 1st April I wanted to eat like मुझे कुछ खाने का मन कर रहा था, and that I got. My sister brought it for me. I was like, OMG, I thought and you brought it. Okay, so I wanted like whatever I want, it comes in front of me as within say within seconds, or 1 hour, 2 hour, or like 1 minute, 2 minutes. So it's like that, and whatever I want, it comes to me. It attracts. Like I have become a I'm in my receiving mode, not in my, you know, chasing mode. That's why it happens, and it's all from my personal experience. I will put everything, like मैं सब कुछ डाल दूँगी कि मैं किसका मेडिटेशन करती हूँ, एंड किसको देख कर मैं करती हूँ. ऑल द लिंक्स, लाइक आई फॉलो मैनी, लाइक रितिका गुप्ता मैम, इफ़ यू नो, Shalini ma'am, that is Shalini ma'am, Vastu Miracles, that one, and then Suman ma'am, Universe Connection. Oh my god, she is miraculous. And Lisa Simmi ma'am I follow, and then Kiran Shahpuri ma'am I follow, and many are there. And astrology and meditations all I am doing from 10 years maximum, from class 2 when I was अभी 12 में पास आउट हो गई हूँ, मेरे रिजल्ट्स निकलेगा. सो दैट ऑल्सो विल सी अ वीडियो. सो कमिंग बैक टू द टॉपिक, लाइक आई विल पुट द लिंक्स. लाइक मैं मेडिटेशन करती हूँ, इन लोग का यूट्यूब चैनल का मैं नाम लाइक लिंक मेंशन कर दूँगी. सो लाइक it's so miraculous, like meditation works. And next was my birthday. On my 19th birthday vlog is my YouTube channel, you can see that vlog is there. So I am 19, like 19 years birthday it was. So I manifested it like मुझे जैसा चाहिए था 19th birthday कि ऐसा हो, केक ऐसा होना चाहिए. एंड केक का भी मेरा व्यूज़ है. सो आई मीन ब्लॉग है, यू कैन सी दैट. सो मुझे ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसा केक, ऐसा लाइक एवरीथिंग, लाइक डेकोरेशन, एवरीथिंग, खाना पीना जो भी था मैंने सब कुछ मैनिफेस्ट किया था. आई मैनिफेस्टेड माई 19th बर्थडे एज आई वॉन्टेड, बिकॉज नॉर्मली वॉट हैपन अलग तरीके से होता था, बट दिस टाइम आई डिड इट बाई लाइक आई जस्ट इमेजिन दैट यो येस ऐसे होना चाहिए. Then this is the personal year that thanks to universe that I wanted to talk to a friend. So actually we blocked each other on WhatsApp and all social media sites. So that person, like, she unblocked me, okay, on and but we have not talked till now to each other. So she unblocked me and we have not talked to each other, so because of whatever it is, ego or whatever. But I am very happy that I like that it is was her fault only, my friend's fault, but not my fault. So I got unblocked, like I unblocked her, and I saw that, oh my god, she has also unblocked me. So I'm very happy that okay, as now our relations are struggles, that also I will tell you. But for this time I'm very happy that we got unblocked, we unblocked each other. And I manifested my Banaras trip. I literally manifested it, मतलब आई कुड नॉट बिलीव. जब मैं बनारस गई थी तो दैट ओ एम जी आई मीन बनारस, बिकॉज द वीडियोज़ जहाँ हम लोग देखते हैं रोज़ उसकी, ओ आई वॉन्ट टू गो देयर, आई वॉन्ट टू गो ईयर, हमेशा हम लोग वीडियोज़ देखते थे. एंड बनारस मैं इतना लाइक मैं बिलीव नहीं कर पा रही थी. वहाँ पे घाट्स जो है, लाइक रियली, मतलब आई वाज नॉट एबल टू इमेजिन कि मैं बनारस जाकर लिटरली वहाँ पे देख रही थी. सो आवर होल फैमिली वेंट. सो आई वाज सो आई मीन, सो ओनली माई डैड डिड नॉट गो, बट वी ऑल वेंट. सो आई सो लाइक मैं कभी बिलीव नहीं कर पाई थी कि मैं लिटरली बनारस आई हूँ. सो इट वॉज एन अनएक्सपेक्टेड ट्रिप, लाइक हमेशा देखते देखते. एंड आई विल talk about it and how I manifested it. And the last one is that I have manifested, I mean, कुछ भी. now also I wanted, today only it happened with me, that I wanted to see a Tarak Mehta episode. So instead of like I just thought, oh, I could get this episode, and I was so shocked. I just got it on my YouTube channel, like it came into my pages, channel pages. And one thing also I manifested, my teddy bear, which I have now. I will show you. This is my teddy bear which I got on my in my 19th birthday from my family. I mean, teddy bear is like I have many teddy bears, so I got it from my family. So it's not like a छोटा मोटा gift है मेरे लिए. लो, giving gold jewelry is fine, like yeah, people give, but वो तो देते ही है, देना ही पड़ेगा. But this is, I love him so much. I literally like keep him like my son. So I do everything for him. And you can see यहाँ पे इसका जो nose का part है, and this hot part I have. This is the hot part जो टेडी के साथ था. I mean, तो this hot part था, तो ये खुल गया है अभी. So I'm very connected to like teddies, dolls, if you say so. 19th home, but yeah, it's fine, not a problem. So I manifested everything. The proof is in front of, like, I couldn't believe that I literally went to Banaras, enjoyed my 5 days of trip. If you, my vlogs are there, Banaras vlogs, everything is there on my channel, you can see. Playlist is also there. Playlist is also mentioned in the description box, I will mention. So I couldn't believe that. Oh, so manifestation actually came in my life last year, January 2022. I did a meditation of Suman ma'am by Universe Connection. So I just tried, like, okay, क्या होता है देखते हैं. So I was like, okay, let's try. Oh my god, it was so miraculous. I did it on my best friend, and my best friend was not talking to me properly since few months, 2 months, but she talked to me so nicely after that. I was literally so shocked after that. And now I do like many meditation and 7 chakra balance healing meditation I do from her Suman ma'am's channel. Because see, for me time is very important. Like, yeah, if you don't come for me, it's like खुद को पहले ठीक रखो, खुद को पहले प्यार दो, then only you can if you keep yourself healthy, then you can keep others healthy, or if you keep yourself frustrated, nothing can happen. So I have manifested many things in my life. So बहुत कुछ मैंने नहीं लिखा रोज, आई लाइक क्या रोज रोज मैं लिखूं, अब तो पता ही चल गया है कि बोलूँगी मैनिफेस्ट हो जाएगा. आई विल से एंड इट कम इन फ्रंट ऑफ माई, इफ यू गो आउटसाइड और इन माई मोबाइल ओनली इट कम्स एवरीथिंग. लाइक आई वॉन्टेड टू सी दिस, इट केम एज मैनिफेस्टेड. आई कमिंग टू द लास्ट पार्ट, हाउ आई मैनिफेस्टेड एवरीथिंग इंस्टेंटली फ्रॉम 1 year. सो मैंने स्टार्ट किया था लाइक लास्ट ईयर जब मेरे एग्जाम्स खत्म हुआ था 12th के बाद, 8 March आई स्टार्टेड reading Hanuman Chalisa. So Hanuman Chalisa, if you see Neelkanth Jyotish, I love astrology. So Shalendra Pandey, Neelkanth Jyotish, many I follow. I will so Astro Talk, I see them from 10 years. I'm doing this. So I started seeing reading Hanuman Chalisa. So Hanuman Chalisa, they have said like since I am a Scorpio, I should read it like every it's good for me, okay, astrologically. So coming to the main part, so when I was like okay, Hanuman Chalisa they used to say every day to read, but मुझे खुद मन नहीं करता था पहले, but जब after 11th exam, sorry it was not 12th, so I started reading Hanuman Chalisa and miracles started taking place, okay. And one more big manifestation is also that I actually manifested my internship, okay. So I manifested internship and my money problems, because see, if you do internship then you will get paid for your work, so and learning, gaining experiences. So I manifested my internship by just imagining. So I used to just think, I have a lot of imagination part touch it. So I just used to imagine that I'm working in a company with my friends, working company, and I got a company offer, like I got it when I applied in my Internshala app from internship, if you many of you all know. So I got that. So I was like, I used to imagine, oh I'm working in a company, कितना मज़ा आ रहा है, फ्रेंड्स के साथ लंच करेंगे, कंपनी में क्या होता है. गवर्नमेंट जॉब इज़ फाइन, बट आई जस्ट वांटेड टू एक्सप्लोर वन. सो it's just miraculous. So I started reading Hanuman Chalisa, and from last year 8 March 2024. Then I started doing affirmations. I have literally 3 diaries. I can't show it now actually, उस रूम में रखा हुआ है. So 3 diaries. I have 2 diaries and 1 copy I have, which I have wrote everything like switch words, prayers, affirmations, okay. And the last ये सब करते करते मुझे अप्रैल मई महीने तक, आई स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम मार्च, तो मार्च अप्रैल, like only in 2 months I got very spiritual enlightened. And that after that what happened, all these facts nobody knows, but I wanted to share with my family, like you all guys, because since you have showered so much love on me. So coming back to the main part. So I manifested actually all these things. We say at रात को subconscious mind like is very active, and सुबह में उठने के बाद instant active जो भी बोलते हैं सच हो जाता है. So what happens, I know this technique, like मैं पहले से कर रही थी. रात को सोने से पहले मैं बोलकर सोती हूँ, and सुबह उठकर फिर भी बोलती हूँ. रात को आई डिड लाइक मैं मेडिटेशन कर रही थी, ओके. मेडिटेशन कभी कभी बहुत हेक्टिक भी हो जाता है, व्हेन योर मेंटल हेल्थ डजंट सपोर्ट्स यू, लाइक आज मन नहीं कर रहा है, सो आई डिडंट डू द बेस्ट. एंड देन अफर्मेशंस, रीडिंग अफर्मेशंस और राइटिंग अफर्मेशंस, इट बिकम्स हेक्टिक फॉर मी, बिकॉज मैं सोचती हूँ मुझे मन नहीं कर रहा है लिखने का. सो व्हाट हैपेंस, वी डाउनलोड एनीथिंग फ्रॉम द फोन, एंड फोन में हम लोग लिखते हैं. सो आई वाज लाइक फ़ोन ही मेरे पास है, तो फ़ोन में ही बनाऊंगी मैं, अपना नोट पैड में लिखूंगी एफर्मेशन. लेकिन वो भी ठीक नहीं है, टेक्नोलॉजिकली इज़ नॉट गुड. जब 369 मैनिफेस्टेशन इफ़ आई वांट टू डू, आई विल राइट इन ए कॉपी. सो आई डिड, बट मैं छोड़ दिया. मैंने अपना बोर्ड का मार्क्स भी मैनिफेस्ट करने का कोशिश किया था, 95%. आई हैव लिटरली, ओके. आई ऑल्सो मैनिफेस्टेड आई मीन आई हैव बीन ट्राइंग टू मैनिफेस्ट. अभी क्या रिजल्ट आएगा नो नहीं पता. सो आई हैव माई ऑन माई डोर, लाइक दरवाजे पर मेरा पूरा पिक्चर्स चिपका हुआ है, एंड मेरे बुक शेल्फ के वहाँ पे पिक्चर्स चिपका हुआ है. सो वहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है कि दिस दिस मार्क्स दिस जियोग्राफी, हिस्ट्री, पॉलिटिक्स, आई एम फ्रॉम आर्ट स्टूडेंट. सो सब लिखा हुआ है फ्रॉम सीबीएसई बैकग्राउंड. सो इट्स लाइक 95 out of 100 आई हैव. सो सीइंग दैट वी से नो, जो हम लोग देखते हैं वही होता है, लाइक वॉट एवर वी थिंक. सो लंबा मैं वीडियो नहीं बनाऊंगी बिकॉज यू पीपल विल गेट बोर. सो मैं वही मार्क्स को मैनिफेस्ट करने के लिए मैंने लिखा है कि जियोग्राफी में इतना 95 out of 100, पॉल साइंस में इतना ब्ला 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 सब में. एंड देन हनुमान चालीसा इज़ वेरी मिरेकुलस बिकॉज उस हनुमान चालीसा से मेरे मनी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो गए हैं. एंड रात को मैं सोने से पहले सिर्फ अपने पिलो को बोलकर, पिलो मैनिफेस्टेशन टेक्निक विच वी से बोलकर होता है. सो इट्स वेरी मिरेकुलस बिकॉज इवन आई गॉट माई सब्सक्राइबर्स को भी मैनिफेस्ट किया मैंने पिलो टेक्निक से, बिकॉज एफर्मेशंस में लिखने बहुत हेक्टिक हो जाता है, तो आई वाज लाइक ओके आई विल डू ओनली सेइंग समथिंग। सो कुछ भी करने में मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट the problem is like it becomes hectic. Oh, I have to study, I have to do this, so it's better I will just say to my pillow and it comes true. Next is WhatsApp manifestation technique, but I will not say in this video because it's becoming too long. WhatsApp manifestation technique is on another video, so I'll shoot that video tomorrow. I'll post it on Monday. So like I manifested everything by saying at night to my pillow, and subconscious mind को activate करके by meditation, which is very important, and switch words तो है but I just did by at night बोलते 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 बोलते, and pillow manifestation technique I did, and WhatsApp manifestation technique is going to be in the next video, जो जिससे मैंने सीखा है, जिससे मैंने किया है, जिससे देखकर that also I mentioned, but WhatsApp manifestation technique, just follow me. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and comment what is your personal view on manifestations. Okay, I have kept everything on thumbnail. What are my views? सिर्फ 5 मेरे ये नहीं है winnings, बहुत सारे. बनारस manifest करना was like my dream come true moment, and thank you so much for your love and support, for sharing all me, like 259 of you all. Yesterday I saw my video went viral, just in few minutes it went viral, my mango video. So 6 minutes, maybe it was 13 or 6 minutes, it got viral in 8 minutes, I don't remember. So WhatsApp manifestation technique is coming in the next video. If you want to see the video, please like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell subscribe bell button so you will get notified when a video comes. So thank you so much and bye bye for now.